Final full day. We're going for breakfast. Breakfast ends in 34 minutes. Yeah, we can wake up, no problem. One cafe for me and
Fanta?
no,
Just water.
What you eating? Are you eating healthy? Me too. Hi everyone, you're watching this. We got the Roberto camp today for the final day.
Roberto, hurry up.
Honey, I'm calling Shane Dawson.
What?
You're a sociopath.
Stop filming me.
Want to go from there?
No, I'm not turning around. Going a different way.
Last night out.
That way.
One quick note about this place is that whenever there's a thunderstorm, the stairs get soaking wet because of the open exposure, which they do try to dry up, and it's really slippery, so just be warned. Hey, we should have done a footage where like you carry me down this time. Got our samurai sword included in the room. Very nice. Okay guys, we just found out that checkout is at 7:30 a.m. so we're going back to the room to get ready. He's gonna get it! Buddy! Who got it?
These people.
No!
Looks really happy.
Honey, are you happy about the game's results? How did you think the other team played?
Like bros. Real bros.
The red team?
Yeah.
How did you think the blue team played?
They were